For JMeter distributed testing environment using Docker, we will create a separate Docker network. And in that separate Docker network, we will run JMeter, InfluxDB, Redis, and Grafana Docker containers. I will use VS Code to interact with Docker containers, images, and networks, and also terminal. So we will create a separate Docker network named Bridge. The command for that is this one. So it will create a Docker network type Bridge. The name of this network is JMeter. This is the subnet range, IP range, and the gateway. As you can see, there are no associated containers for this network.